Hello friends and welcome to my Vinayak Chaturthi vlog. Here's wishing each and everyone a very happy Vinayak Chaturthi. Sharing a sweet story of Lord Ganesha and Kubera and the festivity with which Kubera invited Lord Ganesha and what happened there. This is a cute story, so please stay put and enjoy this beautiful story of Lord Ganesha on Ganesh Chaturthi. As we all know, Lord Kubera is the god of wealth and he was immensely proud of the riches, and so he decided to show off. He wanted to invite gods and goddesses to his palace so that he can show off his riches and his prosperity. He organized a great feast and invited all the gods and goddesses. He wanted Lord Shiva and Parvati to be a part of this festival. So he went to Mount Kailash to invite them personally. Lord Shiva knew that Kubera wanted to flaunt his wealth. He wanted to show off. So he smiled and he told Kubera that he is too busy. He and Ma Parvati are busy, so they will not be able to come. But he will send his son Lord Ganesha to the feast. Lord Kubera was slightly disappointed because Ma Parvati and Lord Shiva were not attending the festival. But he was very happy that Lord Ganesha will be a part of this feast. And so he organized a great feast with a lot of food items for Lord Ganesha since he loved food. And Lord Ganesha attended the feast with a lot of happiness. Lord Ganesha was a child and he was so happy to be a part of the feast because he could eat various kinds of delicious food. Lord Ganesha had a large appetite and he also knew that Kubera was trying to flaunt his wealth. So he decided to teach Lord Kubera a lesson. At the feast, Lord Ganesha began eating with a lot of enthusiasm, and as he started eating, so grew his hunger. No matter how much of food was served to Lord Ganesha, his hunger never seemed to be satisfied. And Kubera ordered for more food and more food was cooked. But still, Lord Ganesha never felt that he was full and he asked for more and more food. Kubera grew panicky and he didn't know what to do because the food was all over and the ingredients to cook the food was also getting completed. He didn't know what to do. And then Lord Ganesha, when food was not served to him, he was so hungry he started eating all the decorations and things which were around the palace. Anything that looked edible or sometimes non-edible, Lord Ganesha seemed to be consuming it. And Kubera got panicky. He had to do something before it's too late. Kubera immediately rushed to Mount Kailash because he didn't know what to do other than ask Lord Shiva and Parvati and take their help. So he immediately went to Mount Kailash and asked Lord Shiva that he's caught in a situation and what should he do to solve this problem. Lord Shiva smiled and understood that Lord Kubera has learnt his lesson and now it was time to give him a solution. Lord Shiva smiled and gave a handful of roasted grain to Lord Kubera and asked Lord Kubera to offer this to Lord Ganesha with humility and his problem would be solved. Lord Kubera rushed immediately to the palace and offered handful of roasted grain to Lord Ganesha with lot of respect and humility. When Lord Ganesha saw Lord Kubera with lot of humility and respect, he understood that Kubera has learnt his lesson and he accepted the handful roasted grain which was offered by his father and he consumed it. And Lord Ganesha was satisfied. He looked full. Lord Ganesha was not hungry anymore. The moral of the story is true wealth is never measured by possessions. It is measured by the humility and the contentment with which we live. This story of Lord Ganesha teaches us a very big lesson, and that is, you may have a lot of material possessions or prosperity, but humility is the greatest possession that one must have. Lord Ganesha has taught us this important lesson to stay humble, to stay in humility. Let's do that. Let's always stay humble and let's learn the art of gratitude and humility. Friends, thank you all for watching all my blogs. Thanks for all the encouragement and thanks for all the feedback and messages. Let Lord Ganesha bless all of us and let's always stay positive.